Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to install your Android SDK and Windows 7 64 bits. You can also install this Android SDK in Windows 7 32-bit, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and also the latest Windows game, that is Windows 10. Also you can install the same method, the same procedure you need to follow that I am going to show you. The links you can find below to my video in the description box. So let us begin. Now first of all I am going to show you where you can download this Android SDK and Java also. So for that one, you need to open your browser, any browser, and you need to type the links, or you can type these Google on androiddeveloper.com. After typing this, or also this link you can find on the description box also. Just click on this link and you will become directly on the download page. Here you don't need to register before downloading, so you can download directly. You can see the access, the latest one is 5.0 lollipop is there, platform supported. So just click on this for the Windows supported. You can see for download option is there. If you want other option, means if you click on this other download option, it will become for the other support like Linux, Mac OS also supported. So for the click for Windows, you need to click here. So first of all, before downloading, you need to add terms condition here there. So you need to accept these terms and conditions. Then after that you need to click again download. So after that should become screen. This is the size you can see, C8 117 is the MB, the size which actually is the download size is there, so which I have already downloaded this one, so I'm going to cancel this one. And after that, if you need to download Java also, for this Java either you can download JDK or GREK also, both you can download and install. So here for this JDK purpose you can download here, for GRE also you can download it. Just download and install this one. And if you want to see how to install this, you can just go to my channel @cloud.net in the YouTube. You will find how to install this Java JDK under the Windows also. So for that, let us begin. This download installation is there, which this one is the download setup is there. I'm going to download first of all. Before downloading, installing, I'm going to show you about this Java, whether is in my system is already installed is there not. For that one, you need to press Windows R. So continuously you need to press Windows R. After that you need to type here CMD. You need to press enter here. So after typing CMD, press enter. You need to type here Java and give a space hyphen version you need to type. So after that you need to press enter here. So if you get the output like 1.8.0 something like version you will get, means this confirm that this in my system Java has been installed. If it is if you get output like something you will, if you like here don't when you type Java hyphen version, if you get something wrong, something bad feature if you get, means, so there you can confirm that in your system Java is not installed. So before installing Android SDK, you need to install Java first of all. So here we can see latest version is 1.8 showing currently, which I have already downloaded and installed. So I'm going to show you the path also. Java. So click on the folder, go to C, and you need to go to program files, and you need to go to Java. So here guys, you can see GREK. It's a 8 latest updated version is for the GRE is there, and JDK. You need to click on the folder, and you see the location is there for this JDK, which downloaded I have installed. So now just click on the setup icon where you have saved the download file. After that you need to run the file. So you need to click on next, and if you want to check the box Android SDK plus Android virtual device, you want performance if you want or not, you can see the space size is there. Space should be 3.8 GB should be, free space should be in your system is there where you want to install this Android SDK. So you should remember at least you need to have 4 GB of free space. Click on continue. After that you need to accept the license agreement, okay. And then so after clicking on agreement, here is your important things is there. Android Studio installation location will be at least 500 space should be required free, and for Android SDK installation 3.0 GB installation free space should be required. So here after that you can see option this. So you should remember this location both where you are installing this location. So please remember both the location. If you want to change the location, you can change the location. By default I am not changing the location. Click next. The value must be between 512 MB and 5 GB, so recommend 2 GB. Okay, we have detected the system can run Android emulator in accelerated performance mode, so please select the maximum amount of RAM. So that means it's showing recommended at least you need to select a 2 GB RAM for this running. So between 512 MB to 5 GB you can select your RAM. So if you select, so note is setting aside large memory reservation may cause other programs to run slowly when using 32-bit Android emulator. That means showing that if you run the setup in 32 bits, it will come with a slowly like large memory utilization will be used. So we should be give a RAM very good. Here I am giving 2 GB is enough. Click on next. So if you do not want to create a shortcut, you can check the box. In that one, it's going to be installed under the startup menu folder, this one. So click on install now. You can click here extract folder to see the file which is downloading and extracting. So extracting Android SDK percentage is coming up to 100%. So you can see the size is showing around 2 GB around. It's going to be unpacking these packages. Now we need to complete this one. We need to click on next, that the installation has been completed. So check this box to start this Android Studio. So click on finish and it's going to be starting the Android Studio. So if you have already installed Android Studio, means you can import your setting for the custom location. If you have already, means just click on this option to import your settings. So this is a fresh installation, so I don't have a previously version of Android Studio, so I do not want to import any settings. Just click OK. So click on show details, checking and downloading the Android SDK version revision 24.1.2. Let it takes some more time here. So it still is downloading the Android Google API Intel supported for this 64-bit version. So still we need to wait here. Now that has been installation has been successfully completed. You need to click on finish. After that we can start the quick project. So for the recent project we need to click on existing, start, import, check out for the out project. So docs, how to configure settings here is there. Click on new here to start this checkup for this Android. So you can give application name is nothing but you need to give here like I am going to give so you can give name also by changing my application sets of, you can give any name, company domain name also you can give it, like I am giving my domain www.cloudnetwork.in. okay, the package name will become like that, and the location also you can see it's going to saving. If you want to change the location, you need to browse the location, you can change under the application is going to save. Click on next. You need to select which platform factors you require to run. It's Android as Cream 4.3 or 3 or KitKat, Jelly Bean. I'm using latest one Android Lollipop. Lower API target device by targeting. Okay, you can ignore this one. If you want TV, where glasses also you can select. Click on next, and so you need to select the mobile. Blank also you can select blank with activity fragment. So I am going to select blank activity only. Click on next. If you want to go back to, you can click on previously and you can go back. You can give your activity name, like it's my first Android. Okay, and then you can change the layout, title name also you can see, and then you need to click on. So just avoid the spaces in between the name. in the place of activity name, and you need to click on finish. So now you need to wait. So building my application with the name of project. If you want to check for updates, latest ones, you can click here update, and you can see Android Studio. Just scroll, you will find last one you see for check updates. So click OK, checkbox to allow access. Once again you need to click on allow access. Okay, if you want to show the tips, you can keep, just close the box. And so finally you can see has the hello world application icon is there, mobile app is there running. So this one is, you can see the layout is there, widget is there. When you scroll down, you will be find everything. Text field is there, according to your container. You can add here on the app how to create, you will be get. And the next video I am going to show you about this, how to create app inside this mobile application on the Android updated 5.0 lollipop. So if you have any problem, if you get any problem, you can comment below to my video. So friends, thank you for watching IT Cloud Net video.